Alright, hello and welcome back to the channel. As I previously said, on today's video I will showcase what it takes to commute with the RT1200, just in case this could help anyone, any of you. I'll show you how I do it and everything what it takes to do it. It's not that cold today, actually. Yeah, it is today because it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Had a pretty long shift, to be honest, into Carlisle and back. There we go. The bike one doesn't even want to go. So let's see how we do. One of my colleagues is going out, so what is he waiting for? So yeah, let's go home. I put it just in case something's closed and stuff like that. Because yeah, you never know. At night, I've just had a few road closures on A1. So yeah, let's see what it takes to commute at night. It's nothing special. I mean, you have to be more careful. More than anything, obviously roads are quiet, not many on the roads itself. However, there is the risk of wild animals, and that's terrible because you can see them everywhere on the road, like pheasants, deers, rabbits, all sorts. So it's quite dangerous. Therefore, that's pretty much the worst it can happen, I mean. And also, not so much here in Immingham, but in Doncaster, you might get the odd Dutch hate that, you know, crackheads and stuff like that, that they might try to rob your bike, which is not uncommon or unheard of. So that's another thing to be aware of, especially in this part of the world. So yeah, apart from that, it's not, I mean, you will see. In terms of headlights, yeah, they're not great, but I had worse than the RT, so yeah, I'm quite happy about the headlights. And I also have the auxiliary lights, which not much, but it's just enough to, you know, it's enough for me. I'm not sure how it's coming on camera. I never filmed at night for that much, so have no idea how the camera is you know, it's filming at night. So with the deep beam, it's not big, but when you go with the high beam, it's full beam, it's quite good, to be honest. obviously you won't be able to use the full beam towards the incoming traffic, but also at night there is not much traffic either, so yeah. And again, it's a 50-mile commuting, therefore quite boring, I would say. Most of it motorway. The very end I will come off just to I could very well stay on the motorway for the entire journey. I mean, I live like 2 minutes away from the motorway, but that's a bit too fast. But I like to come off a few junctions earlier so I can, break the monotony and all that, so I can have some roundabouts, a few bends and stuff like that. Otherwise, it's so boring. And yeah, this is it. Now, what I like to do is sitting here, obviously not hogging the middle lane either, but I'm trying to give myself middle lane with a fast lane, second lane here. Try to give myself as much room as possible in case an animal is coming from left or right. So I know it's not much you can do sometimes, but that's pretty much. And keep your eyes peeled so it's kind ahead for. Anyway, because the bike is loud, it's a good thing and a bad thing in the same time. That might scare them away, but if they are already engaging in crossing the road, when they hear you coming, they might turn back, and that's very, very bad because you don't know how the animal will react. So I really hope, so far so good. I don't want to jinx it, but I really don't want to prove me wrong. So I really hope that it's not the case, and I won't have an encounter. In terms of comfort at night, so right. Let's see what the temperature is. It should be 6 or 7 degrees. Yeah, 7 degrees. I have heated handlebars on full power, heated seat on full power, so I don't feel it. It's perfectly fine, no wind whatsoever. Yeah, typical. Right, why I'm sitting on this lane now, because the first lane is such a bad bit here for a few miles. It's like, because of the lorries going past every day, the road itself is so bad. It's a nightmare. So I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm staying here for a few miles all the way to the next junction, and then it's good again. So it's, believe me, if I go on the first lane there, I will be shaking, and yeah, it's a nightmare. It's very bad. So I'm sitting here trying to do. And pretty much this is the whole experience all the way back home. It's not much. I mean, no traffic, obviously, but as I say, that's a bad thing as well, because not being, all the animals can get on the road. So, but guys, just keep your eyes peeled. where possible, just give yourself as much room as you can. Stay closer to the middle of the road, just in case something pops out. You can have reaction time, better time. You can go right or left. So rather than that, can I say, it's just a boring way home after a night shift. I mean, that was a hell of a shift, to be honest. And as I was saying, yeah, I like to stay here, just close to lane number 2, and yeah, trying to scan ahead as much as possible. I know it's dark, not being able to see much, but they are going past here. It's just yeah, you will find the odd lorry vodka, but not much at all. Night is quiet. And as I said, now it's dry, so it's not even wet. Sometimes it's wet, and not because it's raining, but probably the fog will, when you find a bike, is always really wet and all that. So I think today is a good day, so not very cold either, so that's good. That's very good. And yeah, I don't really know how well the camera is it's filming at night. What you can see, I will see when later when I will review the video for posting it. So yep, if this helps any of you, let me know. Or if you want me to show you something else, or I don't know, just please leave it down in the comment section. I'll promise I will answer everybody, and as I say, if you want me to show something or do something, I will gladly do it. Really? I don't know what probably I just pressed the wrong button. I haven't recorded the bloody thing. Excuse the French. Yeah. Right, I'm in Doncaster, and as I said, the main danger comes from you being alone. Look, like now, I'm alone on the road. Traffic light is red. You don't know where some crackheads lurking in the shadows or stuff like that. They come up and you know, try to steal your bike and stuff like that. That's the main danger in the city, in the town. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All there is to night traveling with the RT1200. Again, this is such a good bike for everything. I simply love it. It's not much I can say about it. It's oldish. It's, you know, it is what it is. It's a tractor and all that, but once you get on one of these, or even the newer models, probably even better, you will know what I'm saying. You will feel it for yourself. It's unbelievable. It's a well made bike and a good all-arounder. It does everything. It's comfortable. It's protecting you from weather, and I mean it. You don't feel the cold. You don't. Even the rain, when it's raining, if you go, you know, at a good speed, you won't get as wet. It's so good. And yeah, like I say, if you have any questions, any suggestions, any requests, you want me to do something or show something, please don't hesitate to put it down in the comments, and I promise I'll get back to you, all of you. And again, if this helped you in any way, shape or form, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot, so, and it gives me the confidence to keep doing it. I'm just starting out. I don't know what to do. As you can see, I'm working. I'm a father. I'm a husband. So, but still, it's something that I like to do. But I need your help. So please help me out. And what can I say? I'll catch you on the next one. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. This kind of guys, they are the ones you have to be careful of. Yeah, some tunneling. The sound inside is so good. Right, so guys, I'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe again. I know I'm being annoying with that, but I really need your help.